Ditto Clipboard Manager is a free and open-source clipboard manager for Windows that extends the functionality of the standard Windows clipboard. It allows you to save and access multiple clipboard items, including text, images, HTML, and custom formats. This means you can easily paste previously copied items without having to copy them again. Here are some salient features of Ditto Clipboard Manager.
Ditto keeps a history of items you copy to the clipboard. You need not copy again and again, for pasting the same items again and again. You can search through your clipboard history and filter items. You can mark certain clipboard entries as favorites for quick access, in the form of sticky entries. Supports Unicode, which means it can handle a wide range of characters and languages. Customizable settings such as the number of items to keep in the history, hotkeys, and more. Easy to use interface, clipboard entries can be exported and imported. Clipboards can be synchronized between multiple computers. Supports various formats, including text, images, HTML, and custom formats.
You can install Ditto from Microsoft Store. You can also download the installer from their site and then install. Reference and documentation is also available. This is an open source project, and the source code is available on GitHub.
You have to go to the system tray and open the app by clicking the app icon, if it is hidden. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus black tick for activating Ditto. Ditto window can be moved anywhere on the screen, by holding and dragging the title bar at the bottom. Window can be collapsed and opened using the arrows on the title bar, as shown. Window is disappearing currently, after either clicking anywhere, or by pressing the escape key. You have to again use the shortcut, Ctrl plus backtick for opening the window. This can be avoided by activating the Always on Top setting. Click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Hover over Quick Options in the menu that opens. And then select Always on Top. The text Always on Top is now added in the title bar at the bottom. Ditto window will now be the topmost window.
See the actual pasting from Ditto to Microsoft Word. Any clipping in Ditto is pasted in Word application at current cursor position after you double-click on the clip. The clip you double-clicked is moved at the top. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcuts for pasting the clips. Right-click on the clip and then select Properties, or select the clip and then press Alt and Enter. In the Properties window that opens, you can define a hotkey for the clip. Don't forget to check the checkbox for Hotkey Available Globally.
Touching grass, feeling less. I think I need a break, but it makes no sense, 'cause I am so awake in here. I love her when she smiles, I hate her when she cries, 'cause I'm just really bad with my emotions, yeah. I was mad at the start, chaos in my heart, yeah. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all, yeah. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. She is thinking about what could happen to her.
Apart from this hotkey, You can also define additional keyboard shortcuts from the Options dialog box. You can use Ditto for storing code snippets. It is used here for storing Python code snippets. It's possible to edit the contents of any clip that is already present in Ditto. You can utilize Ditto for storing useful and frequently used Windows terminal or PowerShell commands. Netstat command lists the network connections and listening ports on your system, along with the associated IP addresses. SFC command is used for scanning and fixing errors in system files. Checkdisk command is used for checking errors in disk volumes. Tracert command is used for tracing a network path from your machine to given domain or IP address. As soon as you copy a file in Windows File Explorer, it is also simultaneously copied to Ditto 2. Text string copied files is seen at the beginning of the Ditto clip. You can then paste those files in Windows File Explorer from Ditto.
Use the delete key for deleting the unwanted Ditto clips. Use Shift and Control keys for selectively or continuously selecting clips. Use Shift and Control keys for selectively or continuously selecting clips.
You can back up your Ditto clips, together with all other things, like theme, customization details, properties of individual clips, like shown.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world.
The backup is stored in a file with extension ZDB. After restoring this database, everything in Ditto will be restored, including customization and keyboard shortcuts. Various Ditto groups clips B arranges in groups. Icon at the left side of the clip denotes that this clip belongs to some group. For changing the group of a clip, right-click on the file and then select the Properties options, and then change the group from Properties window that opens. Various group-related things can be managed using the Group option at the top of the Options menu. All the file clips in Ditto can be grouped together in the Files group. Now, a group with name Python is being created, and all Python codes are kept in that group. All Windows terminal commands can be kept in a separate group. it's possible to break the connection between Windows' built-in clipboard and Ditto.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly
Text, file, image, or all the data in formats supported by Ditto is also copied to a Ditto clip as soon as it is copied to Windows' built-in clipboard. This can be annoying sometimes.
I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around.
You can change this by disconnecting Ditto from built-in default clipboard. Also note that the disconnection is one way. You can still paste contents from Ditto to any other application. When Ditto is disconnected, a text "disconnected" is shown in the bottom title bar.
Some palindromes, that means sentences that read the same in forward and backward directions, are in Ditto here. Menu with various customization and settings options opens, with a click on 3 dots at the right bottom corner. There are various submenus, dialog boxes that open using this menu.
There are many more things you can explore by yourself, like pasting text clips in all uppercase, lowercase, camel case, paste with a line break with timestamp.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like
You can see all the globally defined shortcuts. Individual Ditto clips can be encoded to QR code, or can be imported and exported to custom DTO format. You can share your clips with others who are using Ditto by using their IP address or domain name. There are several other things, not covered in this video, you should install and try, and go through the documentation.